The aim of this video is to show you how I repaired a worn out car speaker instead of replacing it. The speaker came from a 24-year-old car stereo system. The sound was terribly distorted. It rattled and sounded blowing. I assumed it was completely gone, but on closer inspection, I discovered the real problem. The foam surround had deteriorated so badly, it could no longer hold the speaker cone securely to the frame. I suspected the driver's side door speaker was in worse shape simply because that door gets used the most. Why I chose to repair instead of replace. Number 1. Cost and availability. Because of the car's age, I didn't want to spend too much. I looked for a direct replacement, but couldn't find the exact type. The options available were only sold in pairs, which meant more money and more work. Number 2. Matching issues. Even if the new speakers had the same impedance and power rating, differences in brand and performance could affect the sound balance. To ensure consistent audio quality, I'd probably need to buy a matched set of 4, which would significantly increase the cost. Number 3. Only one speaker was damaged. Since just one speaker had failed, it made more sense to fix that one rather than replace all 4. Number 4. Time and effort. Repairing it was quicker and more convenient. I only had to order 2 small parts and remove 1 speaker. Taking the car to a shop would have meant making an appointment, dropping it off, and either waiting around or coming back later. Replacing both door speakers myself would have required dismantling 2 doors instead of just 1. The repair process. I ordered a replacement foam surround online. Sizing it was a bit of a gamble since the product listings weren't very precise, but I settled on a 5-inch surround. It turned out to be slightly too big, as you'll see when I bring out the scissors, but it worked perfectly in the end. To begin, I used a square-ended craft blade to carefully scrape off the old glue and foam residue. I cleaned the area where the new surround would be attached, as well as the edge of the speaker cone, to make sure the new glue would bond well. Then I glued the new surround in place, holding it while it set. I was fairly generous with the glue and did a bit of clean-up using a cotton bud. And that's it. My simple repair for a speaker with a deteriorated foam surround. It worked great, saved time and money, and kept the original sound system intact. I hope this helps you out, and thanks for watching.